We are at CVS because I'm going to show you an amazing deal on Pampers. And not only that, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Pamper app so you guys can get more buck out of your transactions. Okay, guys, so stick along because I'm going to be explaining to you guys step by step. So this week we do have a deal. Buy two, get a $10 extra buck, and buy one box and get the other 50% off. Okay, that is the deal of the week. Now, I'm going to be using two of the $10 off one of the boxes. Where did you get those $10 off, Jasmine? I'm going to explain to you guys. So here we are, guys. So I went ahead and download the Pamper app, as you guys can see there. Okay, every time you purchase any Pamper offers, you will go ahead and find these little stickers, okay, on your Pamper boxes or inside of these bags. You're gonna find these codes, okay. You're gonna scan these codes, enter the code. You're gonna be getting money back through the app. I'm gonna show you guys how, okay. So let's go ahead and click this real quick. Get started. So this is my account, okay? I already have $6.60, okay? I'm going to show you the two coupons I'm going to be using for this transaction. I have two $10 off. I actually had a total of $26.60, okay? So I'm going to be using one per box for this transaction. This is why we're going to have an amazing deal after using this coupons. Now, I know you guys are not going to have it, but let's just take a step back, okay? Let's not think about the awesome deal that we're going to be getting right now, but let's think about the app here. We do have the app. So how do we get this? We're going to go ahead and go back here, guys, okay? We're going to download the app, enter all the information that needs to be entered, and then you're going to start scanning. Let's do scan now. Once you scan now, it gives you the options how you can scan. Say, I'm ready to scan. We're going to click ready to scan. See, the sticker with the QR code, which is the one that I told you guys here, that code, you guys are able to scan it and you get your cashback. Or enter the code, which is that code down here. You're going to get your cashback. For the white bees, I'm going to explain to you guys. For these white bees, most white bees come in packs like this. So what you're going to do with these packs is that we're going to go ahead and open the pack, right? Or the boxes, or sometimes, you buy them in boxes. That's fine. You're still going to take out the individual pack, okay? Where can I find the code for these? The code are right over here, guys. Let's go ahead and turn this over. Let's be real and nice and gentle with people. Pamper rewards number right here, okay? You guys are going to put the code that's right here. And that's how you guys are going to get your rewards for the wipes, okay? For the wipes. So knowing that information, go ahead, guys, and download your Pamper app. Okay, you guys know if you guys are couponers, you guys coupon Pampers and Huggies and all the above. I'm pretty sure you guys have used Pampers before. Don't tell me no. So you're definitely throwing money to the trash by not scanning or entering your code. Okay, so make sure you guys go through all your codes that you guys have. Now, mind you guys, they do give you a limit how many you can enter in one day. I believe the limit is 6, okay? You can scan up to 6 of them in one day. It's okay. Just wait 24 hours and scan again, okay? So, like I said, do not forget to download your app so you guys can get these amazing coupons to use on your transactions. You might ask yourself, Jasmine, how many diapers does the box need to have in order for you to apply that $10 off? That's an amazing question. Let me show you. So here is my $10 coupon, okay? It doesn't actually give you any diaper pack amount or size. It just says $10 off one pack of Pamper diapers or pants. What does that state? That means I could take one of these, okay? These are priced at $15.49. I can take one of these and only pay $5.49 for those. Mind you, these pack also have those little stickers with the code, so make sure you scan. Why am I asking you guys to scan is because the app also has bonuses, okay? As you guys can see, if I scan one more, I get $2 bonuses. And I recently scanned one that they gave me, I believe it was 10 cents. because it was size 1, but I got $3.63 back only for scanning one. Okay, so make sure you guys hit your bonuses so you guys can get more. Now, as you guys can see, I have $6.60 here, guys. I am able to go ahead and redeem for $5. Let's see. Let's click on this one. So I'm able to redeem for $5 more, but I'm definitely going to wait so I can get the $10 instead and get another box discounted, because definitely, like I said, right now I'm definitely picking up the boxes because CVS have an amazing deal. So definitely pair your Pampers.com coupons, digital coupons, guys, with your CVS deals. Okay, now how are you going to redeem this? The coupons are on your phone, on the app. They're digitals, okay? They are digital coupons that we're going to be using. These are some of the stores that do qualify. There's also 30 plus US retails that also qualify for this. Unfortunately, Target is not one of them, and Walgreens is not one of them. Okay, so I am a big Target lover, but it does not give me. Now, I do believe that they do offer a $5 off for Target, and for Amazon, I think it's a $10 off. Okay, now they do also have another option of redeeming a $25, which I'm going to show you guys. So we have a $1 off wipes, 3 off Pampers, 1 off it says enter to win 1 year of supply of Pampers, $5 off coupon, the $10 that I have. This is the one I wanted, but at the time I didn't have the 25 and it went out of stock. Yes, $25 off 1 pack. I know. Then we have the Amazon, $5 off, out of stock, the $2 off. These are the Splasher diapers, and the $5 off for Target, which is also out of stock. Okay, these are the coupons that you are able to redeem. Okay, so this is what my transaction is going to be looking like. We're going to be picking up one for $40.79 and the second one for $20.39. Okay, that's a total of $61.18. Now, if you guys have any CRTs to pair here, put that in there, guys. Pair it up, because that's going to be a great deal. Remember, those $10 coupons that I have, I got them from Pampers app by scanning all my codes, okay? So this is how it is. We're going to be using that $10 off digital that I have from Pampers app, the other 10 for this one, bringing my total down to $41.18. But keep in mind that we're going to be getting back $10 in extra bucks, okay, when we buy 2, making my final cost to $31.18 for both of them. But it doesn't end there. We're going to go ahead and clip that $3 on Ibotta. The limit of that is 2. Now, if you're new to Ibotta, go ahead and use my referral code. You're going to be getting back $5 when you redeem your first offer. Let's go along, guys. So after we submit our $3 for each of them, okay? So the limit is 2. We have 2. Once we submit our $3, that will be $6 cash back. That's going to bring our final cost to $25.18 for both of them, or simply $12.59 for each, which is an amazing deal. Mind you, this video is to show you guys how to use the Pamper app, okay? Maybe by the time you're watching this offer is not available. It is okay, but at least you have the idea of how to use this. So let's go see how it goes. Okay, guys, so this is the boxes I picked up, and here is my deal, okay? The boxes were $43.49. The other one was $40.79, or so that's what it says, right? I didn't know, but I did have 2 digital coupons, okay, $3 off each box. I was not expecting it for them to apply because I was using the $10 off, but it works, okay? It applied. These are like gift cards, okay? So I used both of them, 10 and 10. That's $20 minus $6. And I did use a $10 extra bucks because when you buy 2, you get a $10 extra buck. That made our total to $27.88 out of pocket, okay? $27.88. Now, remember, we did get that $10 extra buck back. I'm not counting that because I did use a $10 extra buck there. We're going to go ahead and submit to Ibotta. Okay, it's $3 for 2 of these boxes. That's going to bring our final cost to $19.18 for 2 boxes, or simply $9.59. So go ahead, guys, and download the Pamper app. Take advantage of this amazing tricks that you guys are able to do at any of these retail stores. Now, mind you, this is a legitimate offer. This is a legitimate deal. All the information that I provided you, it is legitimate, okay? I was just shocked because I was assuming that those $10 off were digital coupons, but they're not. They are like gift cards or MoneyGram or something like that, because that's how they had to enter them. Once they scan them, it did take them a little long for them to process after checkout. So just tell your cashier, can we wait? Because it took them like a few minutes for them to process. Once it was processed, you will see your final total.